A very good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Chart Studio. Welcome to the post market analysis. Today, we are going to analyze what happened in the market, what are the important levels uh, which market respected today, and what are the important levels for tomorrow's market. So, basically, we saw a very weak session today as Nifty opened around the levels of 24,000, 24,050. Later on, it moved towards 24,160. You need to see how it is respecting the levels, how it is respecting the levels given by, like, marked by us. And it took a resistance around 24,163. Later, it went below 24,030 levels and towards 23,960. As we had discussed in yesterday's video, that 23,960 is going to be a very strong support because yesterday it wasn't broken. You can see it opened here, it took a support here, again it took a support two times in today's session. Now, very important support for Nifty is at 23,800. Okay, this support you need to keep in mind. Once it is getting broken, we are going to see 23,500 and further below levels. So, what was the reason? First of all, the biggest reason for today's like weak move was completely based on the expiry. Okay, today was Nifty's expiry. Overall monthly expiry was there today, and a lot of open positions were there, and that took Nifty towards 23,900. This was the biggest reason because on the war front there are no news. Okay, things are like as it is. जो कल थी वही आज है और उसमें कोई भी न्यूज़ नहीं है. So the biggest reason was this expiry. And one more biggest reason was Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was very weak today, and the reason for Bank Nifty being weak is PSU banks. There was some news related. RBI has put some cap. Uh, so there was like very much weakness in PSU banks, such as like public banks such as SBI, Canara Bank, such all the PSU banks. So that was one of the biggest reason why Bank Nifty was down, and it later pulled Nifty down too. We are going to analyze Bank Nifty also. Okay, so this was the reason. One was expiry and one was Bank Nifty, why the market was weak. Now, what are the like important levels for tomorrow? Okay, now important levels relies in front of you. 23,964 to be very precise. This is a very important level. Market can take a good support here and move towards 24,000, 24,150. These are two levels you need to keep in mind. The same range where Nifty has taken, like Nifty has traded in today's session. Okay. On the downside, 24,964, and on the upside, 23,964, and on the upside, 24,150. This 170, 180 point range is going to be very important for tomorrow's session. If market is going about 24,150, like above this level, we are going to see a good up move towards 23,300 levels. And if it is going below 23,964, directly we'll see a 150, 160 points downfall towards 23,800. So these levels you need to keep in mind. If you have a notebook, please note it down so that you get help of this levels. Okay. Now, Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was very weak today. Bank Nifty was highly weak today. As you can see, it opened around the level of 55,900, went up to 56,100, just 200 points up, and later on gone down by almost 700 points. So this was the weakest part today, and it pulled out Nifty also. Okay, Nifty को नीचे खींचने में बैंक निफ्टी का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है आज के दिन में. Now, what are the important levels for Bank Nifty? As you can see, on the downside 55,000 जहाँ पे उन्होंने support लिया है, 55,270 is going to be a very important level. And on the upside 55,900, this level is going to be very important. This is the range. This level is going to be very important for tomorrow. On the downside अगर 55,276, मतलब जो 55,270 का लेवल अगर टूटता है, on the downside we are going to see 300 to 500 points downfall. एंड अगर 55,900 निकलता है, वी आर गोइंग टू सी 56,200 एंड 56,400. These both are important level for Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Now, crude oil, as we had discussed in the last session, 9,362 एक अच्छा खासा रेजिस्टेंस था. क्रूड ऑयल यहाँ पे एक रेजिस्टेंस फेस कर रहा था, and later on it moved towards, now it is going towards 10,000. So but the problem in crude oil trading is right now crude oil options are highly priced. मतलब जो प्रीमियम्स आपको देने पड़ रहे हैं वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा है, एंड कंप्लीटली न्यूज़ बेस है, इसलिए वो जो मूवमेंट है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा वोलेटाइल है, तो वो एडजस्ट नहीं हो पाता. तो आई स्ट्रांगली सजेस्ट यू नॉट टू ट्रेड इन क्रूड ऑयल. अगर आप क्रूड ऑयल मिनी में करते हो दैट इज स्टिल फाइन, बट अगर ऑप्शंस में करते हो इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ ह्यूज प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज जो वोलेटिलिटी है वो मैनेज नहीं हो पाएगी आपसे. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू चेक गोल्ड. गोल्ड इज हाईली वीक, एज यू कैन सी. कल जो वीडियो में मैंने बताया था आपको कि गोल्ड के लिए 1,50,000 का एक इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल है. 1,50,000 के नीचे गोल्ड ट्रेड कर रहा है, एंड एक अच्छा खासा डाउनफॉल देखने मिला है. नाउ व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल्स फॉर गोल्ड फॉर टुमारो? लाइक अभी भी है, एक हाफ डे बचा हुआ है गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर के लिए. गोल्ड में और भी शायद वीकनेस देखने मिल सकती है. इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल्स फॉर गोल्ड फॉर टुमारो: ऑन द डाउन साइड 1,48,000 कैन बी अ गुड सपोर्ट. ऑन द अपसाइड 1,50,000. ये जो 300 पॉइंट्स की जो रेंज है, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर गोल्ड. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर गोल्ड. अगर एक बार 1,50,000 निकलता है देन वी आर गोइंग टू सी 1,53,000 ऑल्सो. एंड ऑन द डाउन साइड अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट फॉर गोल्ड इज 1,40,000. ये एक मीडियम टर्म रेंज है जो आप अपने दिमाग में रख सकते हो. नेक्स्ट इज सिल्वर. कि सिल्वर में भी अच्छी खासी वीकनेस देखने मिल रही है जो हमने ड्रॉ किया. सिल्वर 2,38,000 का एक इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट था, उसको ब्रीच करके सिल्वर एकदम नीचे आ गया है. नाउ ऑन द डाउन साइड 2,30,000 का एक अच्छा खासा सपोर्ट है. यहाँ पे सिल्वर शुड टेक अ सपोर्ट. और ऑन द अदर साइड अगर 2,38,000 के ऊपर निकलता है वी आर गोइंग टू सी 2,43,000, 2,45,000 ऑल्सो इन सिल्वर. बट सिल्वर इज गोइंग टू बी क्वाइट वोलेटाइल. बेटर इफ यू आर ट्रेडिंग तो गोल्ड इज बेटर मच मोर देन सिल्वर. Okay, so these were few levels. I'm going to share few stocks also in the next video, so stay tuned for that. I hope you like the analysis. अब ये एनालिसिस को ध्यान में रख सकते हो, नोट कर सकते हो, एंड यू कैन चेक द लेवल्स इन द मार्केट. एंड फॉलो कर लो, सब्सक्राइब कर लो ताकि कोई अपडेट आपसे मिस ना हो जाए. थैंक यू सो मच.